rides that we got.
I'm sorry, speak clearly.
Okay, 3 of the fast pass rides that we got. Now we're going on Space Mountain.
Space Mountain.
Like 7 doors.
That's scary.
The train car, like 7 doors. They were going on Peter Pan.
On Peter Pan's flight.
On the boat.
It's not scary.
I
So we'll be at Magic Kingdom most of the day because our fast pass for 7 Dwarfs is a little later. But we have a T-Rex lunch at Disney Springs in the marketplace. So that'll be cool. Be tasty. And then we're just gonna snack all day, and probably for lunch or for dinner we'll probably do quick service somewhere in the park. Because we got extra 3 fast passes too, so we'll probably do what? Splash Mountain,
Splash Mountain,
Big Thunder Mountain,
Thunder Mountain.
and
No, I know one.
and something else. I don't know.
I know.
Maybe that race ride if we wait. Oh, that was at Epcot, wasn't it?
Yeah, no.
That racetrack ride?
Is it Magic Kingdom?
It's at Epcot, bud.
Oh, Test Track?
Yes.
Oh.
So, I don't know, we'll find something else to do, and we shall bring you along. Bye. So, Georgie, what'd you think of Space Mountain? I can't see your face.
It's the best ride ever.
Best ride ever. And were you nervous?
Yeah.
Super nervous, weren't you? He was super nervous. Sorry, we're trying to walk around the park at the same time. Run, 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 run. We're trying to find Peter Pan's flight. Hold on. Hold on. I'll ask you the same question. What did you think of Space Mountain?
Excellent.
Excellent. Favorite so far?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay. And now we're going to Peter Pan's flight. 1 million out of 10. It was pretty amazing. It was dark. It was fast, but I kind of liked it because you didn't know when the drops and turns were coming. Peter Pan's flight. All right, where are we?
T-Rex lunch. Dinosaur.
T-Rex lunch. T-Rex lunch. It's like a prehistoric rainforest cafe.
Yeah.
Right?
And look behind that.
Each area is different. Like back there, the blue is the ice cave.
We're in the
Over
jungle right now.
here is like
Giant bee, giant
ocean.
caterpillar, 2
Right
giant
here,
caterpillars.
we've got a dinosaur back here. It was just moving. He stopped.
We got a big snake.
We got, yeah, there's like a giant wasp. Okay. And we're under like the rainforest. Rainforest. And there's a giant caterpillar. Look on this here.
Then you see behind us.
So there's so much more. At the entrance, there's a massive octopus, a massive T-Rex. It's pretty cool.
Then you see it.
Lights turn off and then it like turns red.
Tornado.
Volcano.
Volcano.
So the lights go off
Look
and
behind us.
It turns red.
it turns red, and the lights in the ice cave go all crazy.
He saw the ice, he's like, come on.
It's kind of like at Rainforest Cafe when it like thunders and lightnings and stuff. So it's pretty
There
cool.
is a
But
Rainforest
I went with
Cafe over
the
here.
pina colada, which they were supposed to be like red lava on the top, but it's sank to the bottom.
Peanut.
All right,
Peanut.
we're gonna eat. Ice cream. Yeah, I'm so ready. Oh.
That's not.
It is fun. Oh my god.
What was this called? The chocolate extinction. I deal with all day. Oh no, do it again. That was funny. Oh my god. What's on your face? Chocolate stash. It's hilarious.
That for goodness sake.
Oh man, they left quick. It's all good. Just trying to say hi. Trying to show my face. We're gonna take off soon. Walking through the castle. It's so cool. It's so pretty. What? What? Look at these doors, though. These doors are massive. Oh, look at it. Mine train is next. Right, Derby? Right, kicking? Do you think it's gonna be fast? I didn't read the description.
Yes,
Maybe
it's fast.
Did it say thrills and chills? No. Thrills?
Space
Did it say
Mountain.
drops or anything like that?
I don't know. I didn't read it.
Oh, I thought you did.
I only read Space Mountain.
Oh, because you were freaking out. Anyway, it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be fun. What'd you think? That was fun.
Yeah. Wasn't that as bad as I thought?
It was. It wasn't bad. It wasn't super fast, but the drops were like good enough to make you scream, I guess. Right, Kaden? What'd you think? It's fun. We might have to use an extra fast pass on that one. It was cute.
Some pineapples for